Turning decimals into simple fractions, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into an interesting topic: converting decimals into simple fractions. It may sound daunting at first, but trust me, once you've got the hang of it, it'll be as easy as 1, 2, 3. First things first, let's understand what decimals are. A decimal is a number that includes a decimal point, dividing it into two parts: the whole number part and the fractional part. For instance, in the number 4.25, 4 is the whole number part, and 25 is the fractional part. Before converting decimals into fractions, let's refresh our understanding of what a simple fraction is. A simple fraction is a way of expressing a number that is a ratio of two integers. It consists of a numerator, the top number, and a denominator, the bottom number. For example, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator, and 4 is the denominator. Now, let's learn the steps to convert a decimal into a simple fraction. 1. Identify the place value of the decimal. For example, in the decimal 0.4, the 4 is in the tenths place. In the decimal 0.06, the 6 is in the hundredths place. 2. Write the decimal as a fraction. Using the identified place value, write the decimal as a fraction. For example, 0.4 becomes 4/10, and 0.06 becomes 6/100. 3. Simplify the fraction. If possible, reduce the fraction to its simplest form. For example, 4/10 simplifies to 2/5, and 6/100 simplifies to 3/50. Let's practice with a few examples. 1. Converting 0.75 to a fraction. 2. Identify the place value. The 75 is in the hundredths place. 3. Write as a fraction. 0.75 is 75/100. 4. Simplify the fraction. 75/100 simplifies to 3/4. So, 0.75 as a fraction is 3/4. 5. Converting 0.8 to a fraction. 6. Identify the place value. The 8 is in the tenths place. 7. Write as a fraction. 0.8 is 8/10. 8. Simplify the fraction. 8/10 simplifies to 4/5. So, 0.8 as a fraction is 4/5. And that wraps up our discussion on converting decimals to simple fractions. I hope you found this explanation helpful and easy to understand. Remember, like any new skill, practice is key. Keep practicing with different decimals, and soon enough, you'll master the conversion. Happy learning!